If you have ever dreamed of turning your Twitch streams into an actual source of income, becoming a Twitch affiliate is your first big milestone. In 2025, Twitch has updated its affiliate requirements, making it more accessible for new creators. But just because the numbers are easier does not mean you can ignore the process. Today, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to become a Twitch affiliate step by step so you can unlock monetization on your channel and start earning. The first thing you need to understand is what Twitch affiliate status means. Once you can qualify, you gain access to monetization tools such as subscriptions, bits, ad revenue, and the ability to earn from your audience right on Twitch. You can also get more customization options for your channel and priority placement in certain features. Now, let's go over the 2025 requirements for affiliate. You need to stream for at least 4 hours total across 4 different days. You also need to reach 25 followers and have an average of 3 viewers on 4 different days. These goals are much easier than in previous years, but you still need a plan to hit them quickly. To track your progress toward affiliate, go to your creator dashboard and select Insight, then Achievements. There you will see a badge called Path to Affiliate, which shows exactly where you stand for each requirement. This makes it easy to know what to focus on. Here are some tips to reach affiliate faster. Stream consistently so viewers know when to find you. Engage with every person who stops by, even if they are the only one in the chat. Promote your Twitch channel on your social media accounts, and play games or stream content you enjoy so you can keep your energy up. Once you hit the requirements and get the invite, you will need to complete the onboarding process. This includes providing your contact and payment information, accepting the Twitch monetized streamer agreement, and completing your tax interview. After that, you can set up your payment method and start earning right away. I have a video and a playlist designed to help you navigate becoming a Twitch affiliate and more on my YouTube channel. So definitely check it out. Remember, hitting affiliate is just the beginning. The real growth happens when you keep streaming consistently, building your community, and exploring multiple revenue streams on and off Twitch. If you enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more information about Twitch, and comment your Twitch name in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.